Hi guys, welcome back once again. In this video, we will see how to write a C program to convert binary into decimal. Okay, so in last tutorial, we have discussed how to convert decimal into binary. So if you haven't seen, go and please see that video. Okay, so let's understand logic first here. Binary to decimal number. Okay, now let's consider a binary number. So binary number equal to 100. Okay, now first of all what I will do that I will find the remainder. Okay, so how to find remainder? Number itself divided by 10. So what is the remainder I will get here? 0. Okay, so I will have one number here. For let's consider decimal, and it will be something like decimal plus remainder. Okay, and remainder it will be multiplied with the base value. So let's consider at the first time I have base value equal to 1. So what it will do, that remainder, this decimal value is going to be 0 for the first time. Okay, so here you can say 0 plus, and this remainder is how much? 0. So 0 into base is how much? 1. So after making calculation it will be 0, right? Now what I will do, I will divide the number by 10, so I will decrease one digit. So here now let's consider the binary become 10 because divided by 10. So and I will increase the base value, I will multiply base value into 2 because it's binary. So what will happen next, this value is going to be right now 2 and this value is 10. So let's consider I am coming with the 10 and dividing once again, I will get 0 and decimal value is still 0, and here this value is 0 but this base value is 2 as you can see here, and now once again it will be 0. Okay, here I will divide this 10 once again by 10, so it will be something like 1, and this value is going to be base is already 2 into 2 it will be 4. Okay, so next it will go to the top, binary number is still 1, so it will be continue the loop. 1 is divisible by 10, so it will give me 1 remainder, and this decimal value is still 0 and remainder is 1 and base value is 4, so here I can replace by 4, and this is 4 and this is 0, so it will be completely 4. Okay, when I will come next time here, this value become 1 and 1 divided by 10, so it will be 0, and now it will be something like here 4 into 2 it will be 8, but I will write when this value is become 0, so it have to skip the loop. Okay, and I will print this value as a 4. So you can see I got this decimal number as 4. So let's move to the editor and write a program. So create a new project here. So binary to decimal, here let's ask for the number. So enter a binary number. Okay, let's get the number, a scanf, and next get the number something called binary. Okay, let's call it as binary. Okay, so int binary, int I need I am going to convert into decimal, so let's name it as number decimal, and decimal initialize value with 0, int I need a remainder, so remainder equal to, let's call it as 0 for first time, Okay, now what I will do, while loop, and here I can write binary is greater than 0. Okay, so here first I will get the reminder. So reminder equal to binary divided by 10. I will get the reminder. Okay, and decimal equal to decimal plus, here I can, in bracket I can write reminder into base value. So let's define this variable base. So and base is going to be initialized with 1 for first time. Okay, next time I need to decrease a last digit. So what I will do, binary equal to binary divided by 10. Okay, and here I have to increase the base. So I can write here base equal to base into 2. Okay, and what as you can see here, whatever I told you here, I wrote the same logic here as well. Okay, now we have to, once the condition is false, that means the binary becomes 0, and now we can get our value in decimal. So let's print this value. So decimal number is, and here we can write the message, and the our decimal number is in variable decimal. So decimal, right? Put semicolon, save it, and click on execute. So it's asking enter a number. So let's enter 100. You can see decimal number is 4. Okay, so let's enter 1000. It should have to be 16. So you can see decimal number is 16. Okay, I have provided the link from where you can get the code below description. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Thank you.